Hey, I need your help. If you're a creator or a designer who's struggling with their thumbnails, this is for you. Me and my two good friends, David and Ant, have been building something really exciting for the past year. It's called Thumbnail Academy. It's an education course and community built for creators and designers who want to make thumbnails that get more clicks. Now, here's where I need your help. There's a short survey linked in the description of this video that I need you to fill out. It'll literally take you 3 minutes tops, and it's gonna help us to better understand what you guys want as creators and designers and what you want to learn from us. All we're trying to know is your goals as a creator and a designer and what struggles you have with your thumbnails. We're using this information to shape the course's content and bring you things that are actually going to be valuable to people like you. We want to make sure that everything we've been working towards for the past year is actually going to be helpful for creators and designers like yourself, even if you're just getting started. The link's below. Make sure you fill it out so that we can actually create something that's ideal for you. And you'll also be the first to get any updates about the project. We can't wait to share this with the world and show you guys what we've been building for the past year. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one.